Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating 1 peso new generation currency. Tapusin ang video guys dahil mayroon itong halagang umabot sa 8,000 pesos. Value update tayo sa baryang ito guys. Ang issue nito guys ay Philippines Issuing Bank, Central Bank of the Philippines. Mayroon itong type guys na standard circulation coin at may taon na 2017 hanggang 2021, 1 piso. Meron itong composition guys na nickel plated steel. May timbang na 6 grams at ang diameter 23 mm. At ang thickness naman ay 2.05 mm. Issued March 26, 2018. Ito naman guys ang ating obverse, ang Bust of Jose Rizal, facing front, right at left. Denomination, year of issue, and mint mark at right. Merong lettering na Republika ng Pilipinas, 1 piso, 2017 hanggang 2021. At ito naman guys, ang reverse, ang waling-waling orchids, Banda Sandriana of Leaf Seal of Central Bank of the Philippines at right. Merong lettering na waling-waling, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or Central Bank of the Philippines. Dito guys sa ating source of information guys sa enomista.com, sa ating 2017 ay mayroon lang ito guys na 8% ang kanyang frequency at napakahirap hanapin, hard to find. Mayroon tong price guys na very fine, 95 pesos. Ganon din sa extra fine guys, 95 pesos din sa extra fine at about uncirculated 95 pesos. Uncirculated condition 100 pesos. At dito naman guys sa ating 2018 mayroon itong 66% ang kanyang frequency. 1A Frost mint mark near Jose Rizal. Regular here. Mayroong price na 24 pesos ang fine, 34 pesos ang very fine, 34 pesos ang extra fine, 48 pesos ang about uncirculated at 55 pesos uncirculated condition. At sa 2018 natin guys, ang obverse 1B Frost mint mark near Jose Rizal, fine here ang details Frost. Mayroong price guys na 46 pesos ang kanyang extra fine at 4% ang kanyang frequency nito guys. At dito sa 2018, mayroon itong 2% overs 2 mint mark above L of Jose Rizal. The R in the Republika above the first I in the Pilipinas. Walang price guys. At dito naman sa ating 2018, 16% overs 1B mint mark near Jose Rizal, fine here. Price 27 pesos ang very fine, 45 pesos ang extra fine, 45 pesos ang about uncirculated, 55 pesos uncirculated condition. 2019, 18% sa overs 1A mint mark near Jose Rizal, regular here. Very fine 6 pesos and 20 centavos, extra fine 30 pesos, about uncirculated 30 pesos, uncirculated condition 40 pesos. 2019, 17% ang kanyang frequency, overs 3 mint mark higher above L or high mint mark of Rizal near 1 peso. The R and the Republika above fee in the Pilipinas. Very fine 26 pesos, extra fine 33 pesos, about uncirculated 33 pesos, uncirculated condition 66 pesos. At dito naman guys sa ating 2021 ay 0 guys. Dito naman tayo guys sa ating selling online sa EB. 2018 1 peso. NGC with error ay may halagang 135 US dollars. Sa Pilipinas guys ay umabot ng 8,023.05 pesos. The item's description from the seller, the product is a circulated 1 peso sirsal error with from the Philippines minted in 2018. This coin is made of nickel plated steel with a shiny finish and has a fineness of 0.95. It is uncertified and has a KM number of number 300. The error in the coin is the presence of the struck cogwheel on top of the year 2018. And on top of big one of big number 1 on the overside, which adds it uniqueness and celebrity or collectability for coins enthusiasts interested in the Philippine currency. And the other examples of 2018 1 peso is discovered as a reverse die rotated error. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.